everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use AI features in Google Finance, the updated platform that gives you a smarter insights and research in 2025. Let's get started. First, go to google.com.finance on your browser and sign in with your Google account. Make sure that you try the new AI version. At the top search bar, type a financial question like this, and the AI will generate a detailed response with citation and links. And for complex research, choose a deep search before you submit your question. This runs a broader AI analysis and returns a fully cited report explaining the reasoning. Scroll down to see interactive charts, including technical indicators like candlestick views and moving average, helping to analyze a price trends, and use the live news feeds and earning tab to stay updated on company reports. During earning calls, you may even see an AI powered insight and transcripts. You can ask probabilities like this, and the Google Finance will pull production market odds from places like Kalshi or Polymarket. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.